Welcome to TNT Homesteading. This is Terry. Up here in the loft, getting ready to see about wiring in at least a little bit of electricity into our panel. I've got, in one of the last videos, I've got the cable buried between the solar panel, the power inverter, and here in the cabin. And I've got everything I need, I think, to get that wired in. And so that's what we're going to work on. There's so much about this I don't even really know what I'm doing. So I'm learning as I'm going. I'm just making sure I don't electrocute myself or burn down the cabin. That's the number one and number two things that's really important right now. We're not talking about, this isn't like a big main power that you've got coming from a power pole. This is, you know, the small solar array that we have. And right now it's coming into the cabin on an extension cord. So I'm not overly concerned about any of that really. I'm just trying to, again, learn, and I'm trying to get this done, and I'm trying to make it to where we don't have to go through much of the same stuff over and over and over again if we can get some of this infrastructure put in place. Anyway, that's sort of what we're after today, so we're going to see about getting that done. Running much later than I intended to. Had to go to the store and all sorts of stuff. So let's get to it. All right, one of the first things we're going to do is I need to shore up some of these boards. My wife, Tracy, had gone and added these boards with the pneumatic staple gun. And like this one had come out as we were up here messing with it. And so basically I'm screwing in off the studs just to make sure these are nice and firm, because we're going to be mounting the breaker box against this. And so we don't want anything to come loose. I'm just trying to make sure that's all firmed up. I've got this board at least back on, but I'm going to add a few more screws to a couple of these and make sure we're good to go. So that's first up. Let me get to that. All right, so I've got my wires coming in to my ground, to my hot, and to my neutral, and I'm ready to wire the breaker into my box. This is still not hot. This is not wired into the power inverter yet, so I still have to do that. I've got a box that we've already got here. It's already got some plugs, but it just wired into an extension cord, so I'm going to have to get that, clean it up, and go from there. But at the moment, I'm pretty happy. So, all right, so I'm sort of done, not completely, and you'll see why here in just a second. I do have the breaker wired in. It's currently turned off. Everything is good, neutral to neutral, ground to ground, black to the breaker. You can see I just have the yellow line. I don't have it through any kind of conduit or anything like that. The main reason is I've got one connection, and it's currently going from the box into that elbow. I need another one of those that screw in and then go through the pipe. I've got it pretty much level the way I want it, but I need to go get a few more of those connections so I can wire it up correctly. But we are trying to get this done. This is something, before I do any more, but this is something I can undo this, fix it really easy, put it in correctly the next time I'm here, after I got a chance to go to the hardware store to buy some of those connectors. Anyway, now to go mess with the inverter and see how this goes. All right, I just got the wire hardwired into the power inverter, and it's turned on. Now we'll go inside and give it a try. All right, here we go. Turn on the breaker. No sparks, so that's a good sign. I didn't expect any. Let's go try the lamp. All right, here we go. And power. So we no longer need the extension cord from the shed into here. We are wired. We are wired into the box up there. Like I said, I've got to fix, hold on 1 second here. I have to fix the pipe, so I don't have just the wire there, but that's an easy fix. I just got to get the right part. And then once I have done that, I can, well, we'll have to redo some wiring inside with extension cords at the moment until we get more wiring done. But that's it. This extension cord that we've been carting in and out every time we get here, we don't have to mess with anymore. And I am excited about that. Anyway, I am running late, so I better get off of here. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. Have any questions, leave them below. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.